Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So today I am doing another haul video because I know you guys love them. But for this haul video I'm doing it on a brand called Rebellious fashion, which you might have heard of or you might not have. They're like an Instagram brand, quite up and coming. I first heard of them probably about 2 years ago now, and I have ordered stuff from them in the past with like my own money. But they contacted me asking if I wanted to do a video together, so I had a quick look on their website to see if I liked anything, and there was quite a few bits I liked. So I was like, yes, I would love to do a video together. So they have sent me some items, or I chose the items, sent them the links, and then they sent me them. But yeah, so I'm going to show you them today, try it all on for you guys. And the good thing about Rebellious is everything is affordable. There's nothing that's going to be like crazy expensive or anything like that. So I will link everything down below, and I think I have a discount code as well, which I'll put on the screen if I do. So if you are going to order anything from there, then you can get a little bit more money off. So yeah, now just gonna get on with the haul. First item I have are some little shorts, and they're these little snake print shorts. Now I've been wanting the Zara ones for ages, but they're just completely sold out and quite expensive. So when I was looking on Rebellious and I saw these, I was like, yep, I'm getting them. So this is what they look like. They're like little shorts and they tie in the waist and like elastic on the back. I love them. I mean, I haven't tried them on yet, but I feel like I'm gonna love them. They're really good quality as well. I'm not sure on the price, but I will of course like link it down below in case you do want to check it out. But like I said, everything's affordable on there, so it shouldn't be too expensive. But yeah, love these, and I can't wait to style them in like autumn. I think they're a great piece. Like obviously when you're getting into winter, might be a bit too cold to wear it, but autumn, I think they'll be great. I love these little shorts. I love the print of them, the fit of them, how it like ties in the waist. They're a nice length as well in the back, not too short for me. I've just paired it with like a little black roll neck, but you can definitely pair it with so many things. Wear it on like a night out, or just wear it like casual during the day. I'll definitely be wearing these a lot, so stay tuned on my Instagram because I'm sure I'll be posting about them soon. Speaking of autumn, you know what autumn means. It's boot season, and I love boots. I'm obsessed with boots and yeah, shoes. So I picked up these little pair of boots. So they're like a patent material. I think it's patent, is it? I don't know. I'm so bad at this kind of stuff. But they have a little like fake zip down the front, and then they have like the real zip down the side. A little bit of a heel, but nothing too major, so you can definitely wear them every day. But yeah, I really like it, and I like the zips down the front. I think it just adds something to the outfit instead of it being just like completely plain boot. Now I know summer is pretty much over, but I bought a little dress anyway. In my defense, it is black, so I feel like you could wear it in autumn with like a cardigan or jacket or something. But it's this little polka dot wrap dress, frilly on the bottom, has little cutouts on the sleeve, but I thought this would look really nice with like a white blazer over the top, or a black blazer, or just like a knitted cardigan, something like that. I feel like you could definitely layer this, or you could put tights underneath it to make it a little bit warmer. I wish I'd got this little dress sooner because it would have been like perfect for summer, but still loving it. And I think you could definitely pair it with like a leather jacket or something, and kind of dress it a bit more autumn winter. But this is the dress up close, so it has these little cutouts on the arm, but if you don't like the cutouts, you don't actually have to have them. You just need to put your arm through like this bit instead of this bit, and you won't be able to see them or anything. But I quite like them. I think it adds a little detail. But yeah, I love the little polka dots. It kind of wraps around and ties here. Length-wise, it's quite good in the back. Definitely a little bit short in the front, but nothing that is too short. Going along with the snake print, I also got this little dress here. So it's quite a flowy, like smock dress. I think that's what they're called. But yeah, really comfortable. Like, this was like my main reason to buy in this, is because it looked so comfortable. But yes, it's like a little V in the front, kind of dips down, and then it's just, yeah, super loose. Love the print on it. This is like the most comfortable thing ever, but it looks good. So it's quite short in the front, but what I love is that it goes longer in the back. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It has like a little V-neck kind of thing going on here, so I think it would look really nice with some necklaces. But you could also belt this if you're a little bit shorter than me. I feel like I can't because it would just be hoisted up too much. But if you are, I think it would look really nice just belted, so you can kind of cinch in the waist. I would personally style this with some little black boots, maybe throw on like a little leather jacket with it, and I feel like that would look really nice. But you could definitely pair it with like some heels and dress it up a bit, or trainers I think would also look good. Yeah, I feel like it's a very versatile piece. And you could also wear it to bed as well because it's that comfortable. I got this just really cute little top. It's like yellow and white striped, but I just love the high neck and the white around the side. And I think this little top just looks good with denim jeans. Super comfortable, easy to wear, which is like my favourite thing to wear. It's just really easy little tops, pair of jeans, then I'm done, and yeah. I love the colours of this little top. I think it's so cute, and how this bit's like white and the high neck, but you could roll it down a bit if you want. Yeah, so I've just paired it with jeans, which is probably what I would wear it with. But yeah, I just think it's a cute everyday top that you can wear with lots of things. So yeah, I'm sure you'll be seeing it lots on my channel. Now for a pair of trousers. These are like wide leg, long, kind of tan, camel coloured trousers. I don't know, I just really like these. Again, I feel like the colour perfect for autumn winter. I'm not sure what size. I got it in a size 8. I'm not sure on the price again, but yeah, I feel like these you can definitely dress up of a night and wear it with heels, or dress down in the day and just wear it with trainers. There's so many ways you can wear this kind of thing. I love the colour of these trousers and the fit and everything around the waist. They're super high-waisted, which I love because I find big and tall, sometimes things that are supposed to be high-waisted aren't actually high-waisted on me, but these definitely are. The only thing I will say about them is that because of the colour and the fact like the seam runs down here, it can look a bit camel toe-y, like, yeah. So you've got to be careful with that. Another pair of trousers I got are these black ones. Again, they're like long, wide-legged trousers. These ones have a little belt, which is quite nice, that goes around obviously the middle, which I think just makes it a little bit more dressy and fashionable. And I think it makes it less workwear, because black trousers can definitely look like you're going to work. So if you wear a little belt with them, I think it makes it a bit more daytime or evening appropriate, and you're not looking like you're about to go to work. Love these black trousers. I think the belt is so nice and it cinches your waist in really nicely. I can do probably a close-up on the belt. So I love like the square buckle and everything. I feel like these trousers are so versatile. I mean, you could wear them on like a night out, on an everyday basis, to work, to, yeah, pretty much wherever. You could wear these. You just have to like style it differently. I've just put a little t-shirt with it to make it a bit more casual, but you could definitely put a shirt, make it more work-weary, or like a little bralette kind of thing and make it more night out party-ish. I got another pair of shoes, which are these ones here. Now, I've got to be honest with you guys, like, I tried these on and I cannot walk in them. That is totally my fault. I just really can't walk in high heels, and these are quite high for me. But I do love them. I think they're really minimal because of like the clear strapping. When you've got them on, it just looks like you're wearing like invisible heels, which I love, except like I literally can't walk in them. But if you're good at walking in heels, then these look amazing on. But if you're rubbish like me, maybe go for something with a smaller heel. And then the last thing I got is this little like coat jacket thing. Looks slightly like a animal dog thing, you know, if it was just on the floor you could think it was the dog, but no, it's like a cardigan, jumper, whatever. Yeah. Love the colour. I feel like it looks super warm as well and cozy. And yeah, I think it would look really great with just black jeans or blue jeans, something to dress up the outfit a little bit. So this is what this looks like on. Definitely a bit different and out there, but I'm kind of liking it. I feel very bougie in it. But yeah, I feel like it's kind of cool. It's quite a statement piece. And as you can see, I've just paired it with a really plain outfit because I feel like this definitely does the talking. So that is everything I got. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and I will see you in my next one. Bye!